Okay, so everybody out there, we just finished introducing ourselves to each other. Hope you can kind of still see me. That light is very bright. You know how you tell your kids, never look into that light? You should always be telling me, Jamie, be careful. Never look into that light. Ay, 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 I can feel it already. Okay, so we are going to begin every class together. So as you know, when you visited me one-on-one, you got a portfolio that says either stage 2 or stage 3. Same with you guys out there online, all right? When we meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're always going to have a little bit of a together time before we break off into our different areas to work on our stuff, all right? So stage 2, you will be getting a longer lesson today after we break apart. And stage 3, you will go and start working on your packages that I'm going to give you. Then on Wednesday, stage 3, you will stay in here for a longer lesson, and stage 2, you will take that package I gave you today and you'll have time to work on it in the breakout rooms, okay? So for all of you out there, this is just a little bit of a lesson that we're going to do together before we break off, all right? And it involves some more talking, so we're going to break some more ice here. And for you at home, I want you to think about these questions and see if you can get out a piece of paper and write a little bit about these questions. You guys don't have to write, you can just talk, all right? You can write if you like, though. At home, I want you to write about these questions, and then I want you to stick it in your package when you hand it back to me, so I know your thoughts about these things. Okay? So, with your partner again, you're going to talk about these questions, because we're going to get right into writing today. Did you hear that? Right into writing. Right? Right. Okay? So, we're going to talk a little bit first about how we feel about writing, because I know it's not the most favorite thing to do for some of us, but it's probably one of the #1 reasons why we're here, is to learn how to be better writers, right? So, with your partner, you're going to talk about how do you feel about writing? When do you write? So in your life, when do you find yourself writing the most, okay? And why do you write? So when are you writing and why do you write? Do you only write because you have to? Or do you sometimes write because you want to? Okay? So talk about these with your partner for 3 or 4 minutes. Right? Go ahead.